To use creative mode in Minecraft, you first need to enable cheats. If cheats weren't allowed when you created your single-player world, you can still turn them on. On the computer edition, press Escape to open the menu. Select Open to LAN, click Allow Cheats, and then Start LAN World. This will enable cheats until you go back to the main menu. On Pocket Edition, go to Settings, then Game, and toggle cheats to on. On a multiplayer server, only administrators or operators can access cheats, so you would need to ask one to switch you to spectator mode if necessary. Once cheats are enabled, open the chat and type /game mode C to enter creative mode. This automatically allows you to fly, makes you immune to damage, and gives you unlimited inventory. To fly, double tap the jump button, which can take a couple of tries to work. While flying, hold the jump button to ascend and hold the sneak button, left shift on a computer, to descend. If you touch the ground while sneaking, you will stop flying. When you're ready to go back to survival mode, type /game mode S. Keep in mind that if you're flying when you switch back, you will fall to the ground.